Yugadharma Harinam Sankirtan ki jai. Worldwide Sankirtan Revolution ki jai. That means all of you. And a lot more that haven't realized it yet. But there will be a Harinam Sankirtan revolution in this movement. Mark my words. If it kills me and a few others. But it will happen because it's much needed. Amen, brothers and sisters. The only Yuga Dharma for this entire 432,000 years of Kali Yuga is Harinam Sankirtan. There's no other Yuga Dharma for any other living entity on this planet, particularly because the Yuga is an effect in this middle planetary system. It's not the same time scale in the upper planetary systems or the lower planetary systems, but on Earth planet, we're under the influence of Kali Yuga. What is it? Kaler dosha nade rajan? Asti ek mahat guna. Kirtan eva Krishnasya. Mukta sangha param vrajan. Anyway. So please, I'm begging all of you, wherever you go, whomever you meet, whomever you see, in this movement or out of this movement or, within or beyond the confines of institutional, situations, please induce them to take up the Yuga Dharma and get the Hare Krishna mantra back out on the streets of the major cities of this world again the way it used to be when Prabhupada was here. Please do it. It's going to take determined Krishna conscious individuals to get it together and get the job done. And that's an order from Lord Chaitanya. So please do it. It's not going to happen by people wondering what to do. It's going to happen by people actually putting their butt in gear and getting out on the streets and chanting Hare Krishna at the top of their lungs and making Hare Krishna the household word that it used to be. That's what made it the household word, because we were everywhere. They saw us everywhere. Everywhere they went, they saw us. But now we've been long enough incognito. It's time to get it back in the public eye again. That's the Hare Krishna movement. Forget about making money. We've made enough money. We've built enough big temples. There may be more coming or whatever, but what's the use of all the big temples, if they aren't bases from which the Naam Sankirtan and book distribution parties go out to inundate this planet with Krishna consciousness. The demoniac corporate elite of this Kali Yuga world that we're living in now are not going to slow down to wait for us to wake up to our responsibility and inalienable right to chant Hare Krishna in the streets, and especially where there's opportunity, where the government is not against us, then we definitely must take advantage of the situation and do it. Get out there and chant Hare Krishna publicly. No more Hare Krishna phobia. Stand up and represent Lord Chaitanya. Represent Lord Nityananda. By doing Naam Sankirtan, the way the members of the Hare Krishna movement are supposed to. Thank you. Hare Krishna.